I have an urgent pastoral appeal to the President to hold the destruction of the Londiani forest block and sunbreak environments. Right before our eyes, a vital ecological sanctuary is being systematically dismantled. The Londiani forest block, and most critically the sunbreak area and its surrounding ecosystem, is facing unprecedented destruction. What was created to be a source of life, clean air, and water for humanity, animals, and plants is being sacrificed at the altar of short-term human greed and reckless exploitation. Order relevant state agencies, including the Kenya Forest Service and environmental security organs, to place an uncompromised defensive ring around sunbreak and its environment to hold ongoing degradation, uphold an integral ecology. I would like also to appeal to the communities living in sunbreak area to embrace dialogue and peaceful coexistence. I call upon elders and all relevant stakeholders to work together to secure an immediate ceasefire and restore lasting peace in the area.